Hi, this is Adam. Just looking at my DR10. I've just got some RevXS custom ceramic bearings, and I just want to show you the difference between that and the stock bearings. So the wheel you're looking at now has the ceramic bearings installed. So I just want to give you a quick demonstration, and then I'll compare it to the stock on this wheel. As you can see, both are spinning at the moment, and we'll just watch to see the results. The stock bearings are already starting to slow down, while the ceramics are still going strong. As you can see, the stock bearings are just about stopped. Now we'll wait till the ceramics stop. As you can see, it's starting to slow down now. It's a product I would highly recommend anyone getting for their DR10. Just while we're waiting, just a quick comparison. These are the bearings that I removed from the stock ones, and comparing to the ceramic bearings. So the wheel's just about stopped, so that should do. Thanks everyone for watching.